Hello everyone. This has come to the last lecture of this course. As a summary, why is it so important that thesis statement connects and controls all paragraphs of essay, even all parts of it? In our last few lectures, we showed the very importance of an introduction that contains a completely functional thesis statement, like a master key. And the same thing would happen to the writing of a conclusion. Few people are aware that there is a certain style for writing a conclusion too. How to write not only a great introduction that makes body writing easy, but also a conclusion that adds echoes and power to the entire essay. As a result, the thesis statement affects the ways conclusion will write. Either there's a ready structure to follow, or you have to again brainstorm by luck for what to conclude, as well as what turns of words to use to replace or summarize, if you would say. Mostly too short to end the essay. After all, this is an essay task in a test, not a literature work, where a structure to follow is very handy. Many students do not fully make use of the function of a conclusion. Instead, rushing over to casually end the essay will definitely weaken at least half of your work that you have previously done.